When the move is strong, don't argue with the market. Here we're seeing a sign of a potential reversal. Price has been dropping, but now a bullish engulfing pattern has appeared again. The market gives us signals and we just need to use them. Imagine a whole year goes by and you're still living in the same routine, a job that brings no satisfaction and constant stress. You feel stuck, but what if you could change that starting today? What if there was a way to make more, work on a flexible schedule and be the boss of your own time? In this video, I'll show you how my followers are following my steps and seeing the same results. Don't worry, you don't need to be an expert. My strategy is beginner friendly and will help you get started with simple steps. My name is Simon Becker and things changed the moment I found a way to grow my savings without being tied to an office or a boss. I used to work as a gas station attendant and then I landed a job at a major investment firm where I learned the market from the inside. Today my forecasts are published in leading financial outlets and I'm invited on TV to talk about the market. But what matters most to me is sharing what I've learned. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple steps to help you get started even if you have zero experience. You'll see that it's faster than you think. Watch until the end to get a clear action plan that can help you kickstart your trading journey today. Wait. Before you scroll past this video, I've got something important that can help you take that first step. Do you think trading is too complicated to understand? What if I told you that success in trading doesn't depend on how much you know, but on having a solid system? Over the last 9 years, I've developed a strategy that helps beginners get started. In my trading community, which now has thousands of members, they get my trades in real time. Just watch and apply. A beginner-friendly guide to help you get started, even if you've never traded before. My personal support. You can ask questions and get help anytime. I go live twice a day with real-time trading sessions. Access is free right now, but that could change since I work personally with every new member. So click the link in the pinned comment and become part of the club. Start your transformation today. The first step is yours. Now let's get to the trading. Alright, let's move on to the session itself. I've already opened the platform. This is how it looks. Just need to adjust a few settings. Set up the indicators. Here's one of my favorites, MACD. What does it do? It shows when the market is picking up speed and when it's slowing down, meaning it helps detect the trend earlier than others and make more informed decisions. Choose the pairs. Okay, everything's set, let's get started. We are starting with an upward position. Why? We've got an uptrend, meaning price is generally moving upward, but no movement happens without pauses. And right now we are in a correction, a small pause before the next push. Price has reached a support level. It's like an invisible barrier that price often bounces off of. I'm entering a buy here because the overall trend is still strong and the indicator confirms my analysis. The price went according to the forecast in the right direction. Now let's move on. I'm seeing another uptrend, so I'm going up again. Price just broke out of a range movement where it previously moved without clear direction, and now it's coming back to test the edge of that zone. This move is called a level retest. It's like the market checking if it can hold above or if it will reverse. I see the price heading toward a key level, so I'm going up. Great timing when the market tests a level, that's always a key signal. Let's keep going. This one's clear, I'm going up, and here is why. The price broke through a level and is now doing a quick retest. That's when after breaking a level, price comes right back to check if it can hold. It's like pushing the door open and giving it a second shove to make sure it's really not closing. The indicator shows upward movement, confirming the trend is continuing. The price is testing the level, another sign the trend is strong. On to the next one. Here we're seeing a sign of a potential reversal. After our last trade, the price made a new high, but the indicator shows divergence. The chart shows a new high higher than the previous, but the indicator is dropping. It's like a car speeding up while the engine starts to stall. That means buyers are losing control and the market could turn downward. I'm going down. The indicator helped us spot that movement was fading. Let's move on. We just analyzed the market together and saw how clear strategies help make smart decisions. You've already started to understand how price movements works, and that's a huge step forward. But knowledge without practice won't get you anywhere. If you want to lock in everything we've gone over and start confidently applying these insights, my trading club is exactly what you need. You'll see how I trade live and explain every move. You'll learn which steps actually work and which ones lead to mistakes. You'll get my personal support to keep moving forward. Trading is not about theory, it's about action. Click the link in the pinned comment and start learning with us. Now let's get back to the market. Let's go. Just as expected, the price couldn't stay up and dropped down. We're now in a strong downtrend and I'm simply following the move. In these moments, there's no reason to fight the market, better to go with it. The indicator is also pointing downward, confirming my decision. When the move is strong, don't argue with the market, follow it. Let's go. Now we're back in line with the main direction, so I'm going up. The price dipped slightly, but that's just a correction, a little shake before the next move. I'm going up here, the indicator doesn't show a reversal, so the trend is still up. A simple, confident trend following trade. No need to overcomplicate, the trend is up, so we go up. Let's roll. Here we've got divergence again, price action and the indicator moving in opposite directions, so I'm going down. Like I said before, if the indicator shows momentum is weakening, that's often the first sign of a reversal. Sellers have taken control and a break below the local level is likely. I'm not waiting and going down. The market gives us signals and we just need to use them. Moving on. After a decline, we now see a reversal pattern up, a bullish engulfing candle. This could mean buyers are back and the market is turning around. The indicator has also turned upward and I'm expecting the price to head toward a certain level. I'm going up. The candle pattern and indicator match, solid confirmation. Let's move forward. Looking at the chart, the overall trend is still up, meaning price is rising in general, but now we see a small drop and a consolidation zone, a phase where the market pauses as buyers and sellers build positions before the next move. Based on that, I'm buying, expecting a bounce and a continuation of the uptrend. The market's charging up and the move that follows can be quick. We are using that, last pair coming up. This situation looks similar but with one key difference. We are at the bottom. Price has been dropping but now a bullish engulfing pattern has appeared again. I'm not waiting for more confirmation, I'm going up because the chances of bounce or correction here are high. So, what do you think of the results? You just saw that trading can be simple, accessible, and structured, as long as you've got a proven system and reliable tools. It's not something mysterious or out of reach. It's a real opportunity that's already working for thousands of people, but now it's decision time. You can leave everything as it is and continue down the same path where every day looks just like the past. Or you can try something new. A path of learning, growth, and new opportunities. Picture yourself standing in front of a door. Behind it, new knowledge, new income level, and confidence in your actions. The key is already in your hand. The only question is, will you open the door? In my community, you'll find not just theory, but live practice. Real-time trade breakdowns. You'll see how strategies work in action. A clear structure and step-by-step plan that will help you navigate the market confidently, even if you are just starting out. Support from a team of like-minded people who've already started their journey and are ready to help you on yours. You can keep watching others take advantage of this opportunity or become one of those who take action. The choice is yours. If you're ready to explore a new tool for your growth, click the pinned comment. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and I'll see you inside.